Mr. Kimani Ichung'wah, the leader of majority, told a group of public officials that they procured a house for Mr. Ethekon in Karen at 200 million shillings. Mr. Ethekon is yet to respond to this matter. You are aware that on 11th August 2026, tender reference number IBC/OIT/01/2026-2027 for the supply, delivery, installation, testing, commissioning, support and maintenance of the integrated elections management system, hardware, equipment and accessories was advertised and is to close on September 1st, 2026 at 10 a.m. You are all aware that Kenyans do not know is that the tender process and the result has already been preconceived and is awaiting rubber stamping to Miru Systems Company Limited of South Korea.